Mr. Bajaj. He has over 22 years of experience, demonstrated excellence in the area of consumer durable trade, retail sales and marketing. He also worked on the product positioning, market communication, profit center making, new technology, business processes, and operations. He has worked in the fastest growing and the leading electronic area and the application companies in the country, that is BPA, Videocon, LG Electronics Private Limited, etc. And Ajay Bajaj is a brilliant growth-taking growth-taking person. He has worked in the LG air conditioners, and that is this that is synonymous with that. Okay, his understanding of the market, and the inventive vision, strategies, and the smart implementation, and the parental style of management placed the commercial giant LG Electronics consistently in the market leader over the past 8 years. Okay, for the past 8 years, he worked with the company. When he was working with the company, Ajay Bajaj retired from the active service as the business head, air conditioning, LG Electronics, okay, and that is in the December 2011. Today he dabbles with the other interests, that is some industrial, some travel, and lot of family time. Welcome to Mr. Bajaj. Oh, that's good.
I am deeply impressed to be in your midst, celebrating my small milestones amidst several large successes. You have been extremely kind to find my great determination and passion worthy of speaking to you. I implore you to indulge me by allowing to do some plain speaking. I am not a good orator, neither an exponent of Hindi language. The corporate stream I came from, the rough and tough temple of Haryanvi was the best. However, today I request you, I may be allowed to speak from my heart. So please do not mind if there are some grammatical errors or anything, please. I have been requested to speak on innovative business model, and in my talk there is nothing called innovation. I have only reinvented the teachings of Guru Dronacharya, Guru Nanak Dev, and Arya Bhattas of the world. My beginnings were humble. My career began with farming, and I did it for 8 numbers of years because my parents thought that it was the best way to set me straight. I had not bothered about graduation. I am not a graduate also. The hard farm labor burnt my hands, broke my back, but did not fracture my spirit. That's why I am speaking to you. I realized there is a substitute for hard work. It is called smart work. My baptism with fire in the corporate world came when I took over as branch manager, Delhi branch, way back in 2001. My brief was simple: be a market leader distinctly miles ahead of all competition. And there was hell lot of competition. You might have heard about brands like BPL, Samsung, Sony's of the world. What I did, I only initiated two concepts. Make it cash and carry for dealers. They used to enjoy a credit of more than 120 days, 150 days. But I forced them to give me upfront money. What did I get in return? There were again two things. One, they were investing money in my brand. There was clarity. And second was, I was stopping them to invest in competition brands. If dealers paid me upfront, I too reciprocated in spirit. Due incentives were settled within 30 days against an industry norm of 150, 180 days. All this required streamlined systems for reporting and financial management, which the company invested in. Honestly, the competitors were also forced to invest in this system because they could not allow LG to go ahead of them. In 2002, after 1 year, I was given the charge of refrigerator business at all in pan-India level. And my brief was simple. We used to be number 4 players in refrigerators. You might have heard about Whirlpool, calculators of the world, and we were number 4. And my MD had given me a target of 2 years. I completed that within 16 months as per ORG survey. What did I do? I didn't do anything. The two most relevant and impactful decisions I took were expand the distribution network. From tier 1 cities, we went to tier 2 and tier 3 cities. Also increased visibility on the shop floor. And I believed in one simple adage, जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. Within 16 months, LG became number 1 in refrigerators. 5 minutes into my success, I am talking 5 minutes into my success, I was transferred to air conditioner business. I became number 1 and I was transferred to air conditioner business. And I am telling you, I have been leader for the last 8 years in air conditioner and I don't know how they have played. I have been selling air conditioners for the last 8 years and I do not know why it cooled. Because I am not a technical graduate. I learned when over with one challenge, it is best to move to the next challenge. Do not sit idle and do not bask in the glory. My boss had a big vision for me. He wanted the sale of air conditioners to double in flat 12 months. And please mind it, it is a seasonal business. So you have got 6 months to double. What should I do? What should I do? In year 2004 and 5, air conditioner was a very niche something. It was sold by only some specialized dealers. We had a base of around 100 dealers all over India. What should I do? I implored the retailers to stock and make it visible. And within 2 months, my base grew from 100 dealers to 2200 dealers. It was my determination and my grit that yes, we can do it. That helped me. And when I left LG in 2011, after 6 years, turnover of AC business was 8 times what it used to be in 2005. I did nothing. Because I had the opportunity to work with most dynamic boss I could ever work with, Mr. K.R. Kim. He is a legend in consumer durable industry. He was ruthless like no one else, but would support and honest intent like no other. He gave me confidence to think big and trust myself to deliver. Half the battle was usually won that way only. I learned an important lesson from him. Always trust your juniors. Trust in their capabilities. Their success meant I was a good boss. So For me, whole of my life, my juniors had been working for me and I was without. They grew and so did I. I nurtured this non-threatening environment of my boys and girls working under me. Should their ideas fail, I used to move to upfront. I used to support them, and I never blasted any of my juniors for taking a decision. Because if you blast, others will also be go into a shell. Then who is going to work for me? That's why my style of working was termed as paternal. A father does not forfeit his children. Of the many wins in my career, the children I won are the sweetest memory with me. My final words to you are, all business models and all your excelling is of no value if you have not enjoyed the process and learning. You have to enjoy whatever you are doing. However, business could not be your life. Your profession should not be your life. Life and living are beyond businesses and meant to be realised. How many of you would believe that when your end is near, your boss and colleagues would be standing at your bedside? Anybody saying that?
No.
And providing the certificate of appreciation? No one. But it will be your family members who will be standing by you. Wake up and smell the coffee. The people who will be bidding you a fond farewell when you are ready to go, most likely will be a family member and dear friends. These unsung heroes of your life will stand by you when you are living and will stand by you when you are dying. I gathered a lot of goodwill, made a name and more money in my profession. But today what I have as a reminder of glory, hypertension and diseases. So please evaluate yourself. What do you want to do? And prioritize. You should be able to correctly prioritize in life the people who matter. Make time for you and enjoy the love, affection and laughter of your parents, families and friends. Finally, this is what matters in life. Thank you.